When first starting off to use poles as a beginner, it is important to just get used to carrying your hands out in front of you and the bottom of the pole pointed behind your heel. When using the poles, it is helpful to have a professional instructor guide you on how and when to do the poles. Pole plants are used for timing and rhythm and balance. And so when you're first starting off skiing, you have a lot of things going through your mind, and most of them are concerning your feet, your legs, and your skis. So it is important to focus on skiing first, your turns and your balance and keeping your hands out in front. As I said, all those things are crucial to good skiing. And then after you start to become comfortable doing those things, then you should start introducing the pole plant. It isn't something that you have to know right off the bat the first few times you ski. You can just use your poles to push through the lift line and other basic uses. But for actually using the poles while going down the hill and planting your poles and turning around them, it's best to wait until you're fairly confident and comfortable turning your skis, and then to get a good professional instructor to teach you how and when to plant poles.